So I'll be showing you how to use the Pixels Magic Eraser tool to remove objects from photos you don't need on your iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro. Now that tool can be found in Google's product. It's called Google Photos. So if you don't have Google Photos, then go ahead and install it from the App Store and then give it the necessary permissions to access the photos on your iPhone. And then find the photo you want to use the Magic Eraser tool on, like this one, and then tap on Edit, and then go to Tools, and you should see Magic Eraser. So if you tap on that, you can actually erase some objects you don't want. So let's say I want to get rid of this chopper here. All I have to do is circle it, and then the AI will work its magic and erase that item from there. And now I can tap on Done, and as you can see, that's a completely different photo. And then now I can save it. And that's basically how to use the Pixels or Google's Magic Eraser tool to edit photos on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.